Welcome students in the online classes. Today we are going to study nutrition in amoeba. So children, this is the picture of amoeba. They are of irregular shape. You can see, you can draw it in any way. So how they get nutrition or how they get their food. So let us start. The first step, the process of nutrition involves the following steps. And the first step is ingestion. So amoeba uses its pseudopodium. So what is pseudopodium? So this finger-like projection which you are seeing here, this finger-like structure, that is called pseudopodia. I have not mentioned here, but you understand. The finger-like structure is called as pseudopodia. And it forms a food vacuole as any prey comes near the this amoeba. So prey means any organism which this is going to take it. Okay children, so suppose this is any prey means any organism. So when it comes near the amoeba, it will open its pseudopodia. You can see it uses its finger-like structure or finger-like projection to engulf this prey or this organism. So it opens its pseudopodia. Now it will engulf it, means it will go inside it. As it goes inside it, it forms a food vacuole. That is the process of digestion now. So the enzyme surrounding the cytoplasm into the food vacuole and further breaks the food molecules in small soluble molecules. Now look here. Now it already engulfed the organism. Now as it enters into it, it forms a food vacuole. It forms a food vacuole, okay? It forms a food vacuole. As it forms the food vacuole, these are the lysosomes, okay? This will surround it. This will surround it and now it will break it. Break this presence of this food vacuole. It will break it. So now as it will break it, the food is absorbed. In this way it will absorb it. So this will be absorbed by in the cytoplasm by the process of diffusion. You can see the small spotted of the food vacuole. This vacuole only got now it is the part of the amoeba because it is ingested and now it is absorbed in the cytoplasm by the process of diffusion and spread in the whole of the amoeba cell. Now there is no food vacuole. Now you cannot see the food vacuole. So the food vacuole disappears. No presence of food vacuole. There is no presence of food vacuole. So the food vacuole got disappeared, or this is the process of assimilation. And in the last, these three you can see here. The three dots you are seeing. So whatever important or whatever nutritious for this amoeba, it has taken it. Okay, whatever nutritious for the amoeba, it has taken it, and whatever is not necessary, like these things, these are not important or these are not nutritious. So these are gone out. These are gone out, and that is why we call it as adhesion. So what we have studied about amoeba, how they are taking its nutrition. First, as the prey or organisms comes near it, it opens its mouth in the sense it makes its finger-like projection like this, and it will engulf it, means inside it will go inside it, okay? And then it will form the food vacuole. It will form the food vacuole, and then food vacuole will burst, okay? Food vacuole will break down. As the lysosome will surround it, the food vacuole will be broken down into small soluble molecules, and then whatever necessary is absorbed, and then by the process of diffusion in the cytoplasm. Okay, and the food vacuole which we were seeing earlier, now we cannot see. So the food vacuole got disappeared. And next, which was not necessary for our body, not nutritious for our body, waste material are discarded out, or these are um, removed out of the body or thrown out of the body. So this process is called nutrition in amoeba. So these are the steps in which amoeba takes its nutrition. Thank you, children.